Guys, I literally just woke up and there's so much snow all around. Planning to go get a glimpse of snow, and Mia madam is all ready. She's all set to go to the church. But I'm so excited. I'm just gonna like only for some time and then I'll go get a coffee.
Okay, sure.
God, it's so good. Let me pick up some snow. It's not as cold, it's just like regular ice, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just gonna go up now and then come later. Alright, now it's time to head out. So I'm wearing my winter jacket and I'm going to be wearing my winter boots as well for the first ever time. And I got them like at the perfect time. I literally got them 2 days back and it's snowing today. So these are my winter boots. I'm just going to wear them. I feel like literally everything is covered in white. It's giving me such a magical vibe, I swear. And the best part is it's not really that cold because I guess it's not windy, that is why. It's bearable, it's not like freezing cold or anything. But I'm really loving the snow. So right now we are headed to Tim Hortons to get something hot to drink. I'm contemplating if I should get hot chocolate, white hot chocolate, or if I should go for French vanilla. We'll see, we'll decide once we get there. Honestly, my most favorite part currently is all the trees that are covered in snow. They look so magical, like right out of a Christmas movie. Can I get one small French vanilla?
I am actually cleaning the machine right now. It will take some time.
How long will it take?
15 minutes?
Is hot chocolate ready? No?
The whole machine. Hot chocolate, white hot chocolate and French vanilla.
Okay, so I'll probably wait.
Oh,
thank you.
Thank you.
Made an impromptu plan to Dollarama because I have some things that I need. I'm so tempted to get wool and like learn knitting, but I don't think I'll be able to make some time for that. But look at them, they're so cute. Trip to Dollarama successful. Taken like so many videos of the neighborhood, like with trees and houses and all the snow. I feel like it's just not enough because it's not that I'm exaggerating or something, but this feeling is just so beautiful. Also, it's kind of so weird to see everything change overnight. Like last night, all the roads, all the cars, all the trees were so clear, and all of a sudden there's white everywhere. So like they show in movies, I've always wanted to know if you can really make a heart out of snow, and that is what we're going to test now in this video. I'm going to be trying a snow angel. So I managed to bring Mia outside and we are making a snow yuck. Hi guys, I made it back home safely. Luckily I didn't slip anywhere, which was one of my biggest fears. I got random stuff from Dollarama. I just got like a loofah and then I got some gloves. These are like basic gloves, they're made of fleece. I just wanted to have them just in case. And we've been meaning to get like an ice tray for the fridge from like the longest time, and I finally got it. So that's about it. This is like the mini Dollarama haul. So we're lighting up a candle and watching a Christmas movie.